This is perhaps the most important moment in the life of your pepper. If you make a mistake now, the seedlings will be weak, thin, susceptible to diseases. But if you do one small thing, you will get strong, dark green, resistant plants that later bear like crazy. Today, I won't tell you right away what it is, because most people skip the most important seconds of the video, and here lies the secret. When the peppers first sprout, when those first tender leaves appear, that's when they are most vulnerable. One drop of excess water, a problem. One cold day, stress. A little moisture, and fungi attack. And that's why most people lose their seedlings at that very stage. But I do something different. I don't use expensive preparations. I don't use chemicals. I don't do anything complicated. And that's exactly why my peppers have strong roots, thick stems, and shiny, healthy leaves from the start. If you like these simple tricks that really work, subscribe to the channel now, but not to increase the number, but so you don't miss the little details that make a huge difference in the garden. Because here, we learn how to grow smartly, not expensively. Now, when the peppers sprout and develop their first 2 true leaves, I lightly spray them with a mild, natural solution. I don't water them, I don't soak them, I just lightly mist the leaves and the surface of the soil. This solution reduces the risk of seedlings lodging, strengthens the plant's immunity, helps against fungi, soothes stress after germination, and most importantly, it's completely natural. Ready for the secret? It's a solution of chamomile tea and water. You brew mild chamomile tea, let it cool completely, and dilute it with clean water in a 1-to-1 ratio. This sprays the young peppers once every 7 to 10 days. No more, no harder, because with young plants, less is more. The result? The seedlings stay strong, dark green, and ready to transplant without shock. If you found this tip helpful, send this video to someone who struggles with weak peppers every year. Let their garden look different this year too. See you in the next video, where I show you another little secret that makes a big difference.